Hey friends, it's me, Gypsy, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're an old friend, I'm glad to see you back again. And this is going to be a taste test video. And I just realized I did not translate any of this beforehand, so I don't even know what this is called. But luckily, thankfully, the instructions are pictures. That's one really good thing about Japanese instructions, is they always put a picture with it. So I am going to see if I can figure this out without having to translate first. But I keep wondering what this is. It is made by Kracie, K-R-A-C-I-E. If any of you have had this before and know what this is, by all means, please tell me. Leave me a comment below. This was something I had received, quite a bit back in one of my kawaii boxes. And since the expiration date on it was February of 2020, I thought I had time, to make a video. So, it comes with a separated tray and 2 spoons. This looks like a tablespoon measuring. It says 5 cc's on it. And this just looks like a regular tasting spoon. And there are 3 packets. This one, I'm assuming, is grape flavored. I got that up the right way? Maybe it's this way. Oh, no, it's this way. Yeah, this one is grape flavored. This one, I'm not sure what the flavor is on this one. Maybe it's just water flavor or blueberry flavor. I don't know. And then this, I'm guessing, is how you mix it, or what you mix it with, because it's got these beakers, I guess you'd call them, on it. So I'm going to turn this over and see if I can follow the instructions. Alrighty. Well, according to this, you have to break apart the container, which it is kind of serrated. So I'm hoping that I can do this. Actually, I'm going to grab scissors. I'll be right back. I guess I should have thought of that beforehand, but that's all right. I am going to, it says to cut this apart. That's the first direction. So I am cutting this apart into 3 pieces. And then you are to put, okay, so the green powder goes in the big one, and then the other powders go in the other ones. So do that. I guess I should probably angle this down so you can actually see what I'm doing. And I have water here, because I knew I would need water, so there's that. And blue one. Now we'll do purple one. Now then, after that, not sure how much water we're supposed to put in. I don't know. But it does have pictures in here of what it's kind of supposed to look like. So I'm just gonna wing it. So, kind of mix it up. Oh, wait. Oh, I read it wrong. You're supposed to fill to the line. Okay. So, and that's my cat Derby, of course, wondering what I'm doing. So, fill to the line. That's why these lines are in here. Oh, I just love Japanese instructions. They make it so easy. Well, that one got a little bit more than I had intended, but oh well. And now my kitties are going to play in the floor while I'm trying to make this video. So if you hear them jingling, I'm sorry. Well, alrighty, so I guess I really should have read the instructions first, or translated the instructions first. But I've made something similar to this before in a kit. It was many, many years ago. I had a friend who was from Japan, and her mom used to send all sorts of things for my kids to try. And so, alright, well, not sure how this works. Okay, so I've gotten it all stirred up. And I'm looking at the pictures. I have to take this spoon. Okay, so you take this spoon and you pour a little bit of that into the spoon, and then you pour it into there. I don't know if you can see the instructions. My light in here is not very good, so alrighty. I'm gonna try this. Pour it in here. And then you dip it in there. Oh! How cool is that? It makes it like jelly almost. And then you pick it up. Huh! Look at that. Ah! It's like it's very gelatinous. Very gelatinous. So I'm guessing, although this says you can pick it up and put it in your hand and eat it, but I'm not sure if I want to try that. I think I'll probably just try it with the spoon. That is interesting. Oh, they make like little bubbles. Yeah, it feels like Jello. Just feels like Jello. Oh, and that's definitely grape. Grape is not one of my favorite flavors, but I'm gonna try this blue one. Huh. The blue one didn't work as well for me. Maybe because I accidentally got too much water in it. Yeah. Yeah, the blue one isn't working quite as well as the grape. Ah, but you can, I don't know if you can see this. You can see that it kind of solidified a little bit. It's very interesting. See if I can get it to come out more. Yeah, it's very, very much like Jell-O. The blue one is much better. But that may be because I don't like grape. I don't like artificial grape or artificial strawberry flavored things. But, I mean, this is kind of a neat, fun thing that you could do with your kids. Like I said, the grape worked really well. I mean, it just looks like Jell-O. And what's interesting is that it has like a Jell-O coating, but it's liquidy in the middle. It's very interesting. It's very different. Yep. How weird. Well, I think this would be a really fun thing to do with kids. You know, it's a little messy. It's very sticky. But I think it would be fun for them, you know. And, I mean, it's just something different, something unusual. American candy is not usually packaged this way. So it would be something much like a science experiment. So this is what the package looks like. I can't remember what it's called. Maybe I'll have to translate it for the video title. But that's my taste test. And yeah, I like the flavor of the blue better than the purple, but that's only because I don't like artificial grape flavor. So if you see it around, maybe you could try it too. I hope you liked this video. If you have any ideas of other things you'd like to see me try, you can email me at smallwoodhomestead@gmail.com. And by all means, leave me a comment below. Like this video if you liked it, and please share it with your friends if you would like to see them watch somebody try something new. Maybe they have some suggestions for me. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel because I really do appreciate it. That's the end of this taste test video. Namaste, friends. Have a great day.